My bad, bro. You know it's
sneezing my face.
You know it's freaking pollen season out, man. It's spring in the jungle.
Not pollen season. I don't mean you sneezing my face, nigga.
Oh shoot. Maybe I need to go blow my nose or something.
You need to get awkward that joint.
I'm not gonna sneeze on the food, nigga. Chill, nigga.
Sausage looking good.
My bad, bro.
But Keon, why you
sneezing in my breath?
Tighten up, bro. I ain't gonna lie, but that joint.
That keep coming out, bro. Stop crying like a little girl, bro. I got some tissue. Bro, why you got tissue in here, bro? And you bring your tissue. What, you gonna blow your nose in the kitchen? Yeah, if I gotta sneeze, I'm blowing my nose.
Bro, you tripping.
Bro.
My bad.
What you doing, bro? Bro, it's a prank, bro. Bro, you sit up for the burn down the freaking house, God. What's up, VGF gang? I gotta be real quiet, you feel me? I gotta make this real quick because Romme in the background playing the game, y'all. You feel me? And today we just chilling in the house, y'all. You feel me? Mama D them, they gone, so I don't know where they at, you feel me? So they ain't here. That's why it's quiet, y'all. But it's just me and Romme chilling in the house right now, y'all. Already knowing a little bit this nigga finna get hungry. That's what we do every day. We get up, we find us some to eat, we cook, we make something, you feel me? Y'all know we gotta eat. And I know he finna come in here in this kitchen and cook. So right now I got the camera set up, you feel me? I got a heater right now on the counter with some stuff over it behind it. You know, hey, Romme ain't finna be worried about looking for no camera. He finna be worried about eating, you feel me? So I got it hidden to the point where I ain't gotta worry about him spotting it, you feel me? So when he come in here and find something to eat, y'all, I'ma act like, you know what I'm saying, I'm hungry too, you feel me? So I'm finna be in here with him, you feel me? So I'ma just act like, you know what I'm saying, I got up not really feeling too good. Or I'ma act like the pollen or that, or something like that, mess with my allergies or something like that, cause y'all know it's spring break, you know what I'm saying? So it's spring season, you feel me? So it's a lot of pollen outside. So I'm act like it's a lot of pollen, you know what I'm saying, mess with me, and I've been sneezing a lot, you feel me? But I ain't gonna say that, you feel me? I'ma just do it, you know what I'm saying? I'ma just start sneezing a lot, you feel me? Like, and I already know he gonna be like, bro, what you doing? Like, come on, bro, in the kitchen, bro. Like, you know, I already know this is gonna be funny, you feel me? I already know. I just wanna get his reaction real quick, you know what I'm saying? Quick little prank I just thought of, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't pranked Romme in a long time, you feel me? So I was like, why not prank Romme, you feel me? I ain't prank him in a long time. Yeah, so, I already know this is gonna be funny, y'all. Smash that like button, you feel me? I'm finna get that boy reaction. I gotta hurry up, cause he ended up playing the game right now. That's why I probably hear him, and the door closed, so he can't hear me. But, and he got on the headset, so that nigga, he ended up playing GTA right now. So them headsets banging, them headsets loud. But, yeah, I already know this is gonna be a quick little fun reaction, you feel me? So, yeah, let me go ahead and make sure the camera's set up nice, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see me. Y'all can see me, it look good, you feel me? It look good. You know what I'm saying? I'm whipping up, you know what I'm saying? Okay. They get everything. Okay, good. So I got the camera set up, y'all. And we finna jump straight into the prank. Next time y'all see me, feel me? I'm finna go in there and just be like, damn, bro, you ain't hungry, you feel me? Let's go in there and cook something like that. You know how I'm switching up. Nice and like one, y'all. And DJ gang, I will be back. Hey, just finna get on and poppin' on gang.
A few moments later.
Hey, Romme, we need to make something to eat, bro.
What? I'm hungry. What's in there?
I got cake in it. Microwave. Bro, what's up, man? You trying to make some eggs and sausage or something real quick? Something good.
Chef Randall. Oh,
Chef Boy, yeah, I don't know where she get all that cake from.
Look good.
She brought all that cake back from
How's it?
I don't know.
I'm about to try this.
What, be fine. Hey, we gonna have to make up the eggs and sausage sandwich, man. We running low on sausage, man.
It's mine.
That much, you see how much it is? Look, that's another plate of it.
Oh yeah, we did. I'm matching all that.
That's dumb cake. That boo. Nah, ain't nobody gonna touch it. So yeah, man, we just have to make some eggs and sausage some real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we beat it.
You heard me? Bow. March 24th.
Yeah, man. Oh, I got to feeling so hungry today, man.
You just big one, ain't it?
Yeah. It don't even matter what we use, but let's hurry up and eat. I like taking out the eggs, cracking them already, mixing them up. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me crack this stuff out here.
I was about to pull the table port stuff in here.
Bro, I did that the other day.
You poured it?
Yes, bro, that joke was crazy. That joke was crazy. I'm like, no. I done pulled the Taylor Porter up. It caught fire.
So you swear to God.
I swear it caught like it's like a quick little spark, like you know how they do on Kobe's.
Yeah.
They put like the little oil down. It was like that. And I'm like, no, that's crazy.
They keep eating.
Oh, that's crazy.
Them
Brown eggs. Them brown eggs.
Putting a little too much oil.
Man.
Cut
My
me
bad,
off.
my bad, bro. You
I'm
know it's
sneezing my face.
you know it's freaking pollen season out, man. It's spring in the jungle.
My pollen season, I don't mean you sneezing my face, nigga.
Bro, it's a vibe, bro.
You just almost sneezed in my face.
No, I did not.
Nah, if I sneeze in your face, you gonna be dumb mad. That's dumb nasty. You
Bro,
probably
listen.
sick
One thing about it when it's pollen, when it's pollen, a lot of pollen, I understand. If
I'm not understanding you not covering your mouth. Talking about you understand. Bro, you didn't even cover your mouth.
I tried to, ain't gonna lie. You know I come out. You know I come out real quick. You feel me?
You could feel it though.
Anyway, you know I sometimes be tingling. That mud.
I'm gonna use a fork. Should I use a fork? Yeah, we might well.
Oh shoot. I almost sneezed on the sausages, man.
We need to get out.
I almost sneezed on the sausages, cuz. Maybe I need to go blow my nose or something.
We need to get out with that joint.
I'm not gonna sneeze on the food, nigga. Chill, nigga.
Cause if you sneeze on the floor, I'm not even gonna want the food.
Bro, you still gonna eat, nigga. You know you gonna eat regardless.
I'm not eating no food you sneeze on. What do I look like to you, boy? I'm not eating no food you sneeze on. I ain't eating no food. Nobody sneeze on. That's just...
Bro, you don't even know if people be sneezing on your food in the restaurant, you be eating it. You don't know what?
That's
one
the
thing
point.
I know. I was say one thing I
I
know.
don't even like restaurant food like that. That's why I don't eat it, because people eat nasty.
Yeah, cause I was like, one thing I learned, nigga, you don't know what them niggas do behind that restaurant, behind that kitchen. You feel me?
Mm.
I need to break up, probably crack another egg in there. Crack one more of them boys up in her. Crack one more of them boys up in her.
Healthy old egg. Ain't nothing better healthy chicken.
These fresh out the chicks.
Yeah, man. They organic eggs. You know that, right?
Yeah, I don't know. Do we even got some orange juice though, man? You know we gotta have OJ.
No OJ.
No OJ? No OJ. That's crazy.
Ain't no OJ, man. Sausage is looking good.
My bad, bro.
Man, Keon, why you sneezing in my breath? Tighten up, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That joint
Bro, that
nasty,
keep
bro.
coming out, bro.
You about to freaking spoil my appetite, bro.
My bad. That don't keep coming out, bro. What the freak?
You want that white people?
Bro, if you was sneezing a lot, bro, I would.
If I was sneezing a lot, I won't be in the kitchen. Why would I be in the kitchen sneezing?
Right, cuz, but I'm
If Mama
just
said
saying.
you won't be sneezing in the kitchen.
No, but I ain't no. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to. I think I need to go get some of that.
You keep saying what you think you need to go do, nigga, to go do it. Ain't nobody bring you around here sneezing on me and trying.
Well, nigga, I'm hungry too.
Okay, I'm trying to eat. The eggs ain't getting cooked right now. You need to get out of that, bro.
Bro,
I ain't gonna
bro,
lie.
you got like a little sneeze gonna kill you or something, bro.
Bro, I'm not trying to get
What?
sick. I hate getting sick.
How you gonna get sick on me sneezing? Yo, I don't
Cause
think
you probably sick. That's the reason you sneezing, though.
Oh, it's just the pollen outside. You know, it's spring.
Pollen ain't in here, though. You keep saying the
It's
pollen outside,
still in the air.
I don't care.
That's what I'm trying to walk
Stop
outside,
sneezing
bro.
on me, bro. You gonna kill my appetite, bro, for real. That's nasty.
Alright.
You sneeze around the food, like that gotta go in the nigga mouth. Like you
Right,
tripping,
my bad, bro. Flip these sausages.
bro. Move, bro. You don't even need to touch the sausages down. Look what you
Hold on,
doing.
you right, bro.
My bad.
Here, get this. Change the fork. Change the fork, cause it might be germs on there.
But why you keep sneezing?
Bro, my
Why you
bad,
keep
bro.
doing that,
Damn,
bro?
bro. Let me go ahead
Bro,
and
you
clean
be
my
doing
nose real
some
quick.
dirty charm. Bro, you be doing that white people
Let me
joint.
get
You
this
don't be
shit out,
doing
man.
You just be doing that stupid stuff. I'm not eating this junk, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm not eating this. You be doing this.
Bro, stop crying like a little girl, bro. I got some tissue,
Bro,
man.
that's
Bro, why is you got tissue in here, bro? And you bring your tissue. What, you finna blow your nose in the kitchen? Bro, if I gotta sneeze, I'm
bro,
blowing
turn
my
it
nose.
up, bro. You tripping.
Bro, don't touch the tissue, bro. What you doing, Jet?
I'm about to call Room, bro.
Bro, you finna burn the sausages. Worry about the sausages, bro. We trying to eat. You gonna burn the last 4 sausages.
Bro, I don't care if they burnt, uncooked, or what. Nigga, you sneezed on them? You think I won't sneeze on sausages?
Yeah, my bad.
God, like,
I ain't gonna do it though. I ain't.
Like, bro, you doing some nasty, bro.
I'm gonna just cover up my nose, bro.
Oh, God, you need to get out the kitchen sneezing, God. You trying to get somebody sick?
Bro, you not gonna get sick, bro. Just cook the
Bro,
sausage.
stop sneezing. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Stop sneezing, bro. G don't. Bro, I'm about to lose my mind, bro. Ain't nobody want no food you keep sneezing on. You look like you about to sneeze, bro. Get out. Get out. She got.
No, I thought it was gonna come out.
I knew I shouldn't have came in here. I should have cooked and came in and cooked for myself. You be doing some nasty junk, bro.
Well, that's wrong one. You start making some eggs now. Bro, be quiet, bro. You always complaining like a little girl, bro. Like
complaining. Let me just sneeze all on the food and sneeze in your face then. How about that? Okay then.
I ain't sneezing on the food. I'm sneezing.
You sneezing over the food, guy.
I ain't really sneezing over the food.
I'm not finna eat no food you keep sneezing on.
Soon as I whoop up these eggs, we gonna be done, bro. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
We gonna take quick cook, bro. We gonna be out here, bro. That's what I'm saying. 10 minutes, eat some quick little breakfast, man.
Man, I got tissue inside the kitchen.
What you doing, bro?
Doing the most nasty.
Bro, it's a prank, bro. Bro, you sit up for the burn down the freaking house, cuz.
You be on some nasty.
It's just a prank, cuz. God,
That's not no prank, guy.
Yes, it was. It's a
You just
prank.
sneezed in the food.
Bro, it was still
How's
a
that
prank,
prank?
bro.
You play too
We
much.
can make some more. We can go to the store and get some new sausages.
I don't even want them no more. I don't want them. God, I don't even want no breakfast no more. God, you nasty, bro.
That nigga mad, y'all. That nigga mad. That nigga mad.
Nasty, bro. You be doing the most nasty.
Hey, over the food though, like, bro, why you getting so mad, bro?
That's not no prank, God.
Bruh.
You sneezing in the food.
Y'all, I wouldn't even sneeze over the eat, bro. Put it like this, y'all. Even if I was, bro, at the end of the day, y'all, it's spring, right? Right or wrong, y'all already know how it is with spring. I'm pretty sure you know how many people finna get inside the comments and be like, bro, I've been sneezing too a lot, so I know you ain't lying, Kim.
But bro, he sneezed in the. You think I'm finna eat that, bro? Like who sneezed in the food,
okay,
bro?
We can. So y'all, now we gotta go to the store and we gotta buy some more.
You gotta go to the
stuff
store
like
and buy
that.
some more.
So look like I'm finna be running to Walmart real quick, y'all, and get some more patty sausages and stuff. You feel me? Good thing I ain't put the eggs inside the pot yet, cause the nigga would have tipped it over, y'all, and made us mad. You feel me?
Bro,
But
I
hey, quick little banger. Hey, I ain't prayed that boy in a little minute, you feel me? So I had to get that boy right, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all go ahead and smash that like button, you feel me? Hey, Mama D, I might come for your next, you feel me? Michaela might, y'all better watch out. I might come for one of y'all next, you feel me? Somebody next.
Right.
Romy might be trying to get.
Right.
He might be trying to step up his little prank game too.
Wars, alright.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, you feel me? But we gonna see though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button. In this prank season, we on the road to 50K, man. I ain't playing no games, I ain't stopping. You feel me? Y'all see we grinding. We at 14K. You feel me? We been on the grind. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, it's been feeling good, man. But yeah, y'all. Road to, I mean, we'll hit 20K real soon, but we're really on the road to 50K, y'all. So y'all help us get there. Smash that like button, subscribe, share our content. You feel me? Comment. Just spread the love, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the same return. But yeah, y'all, until next time, y'all, DGF gang, we is out.